Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah, hello. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Yeah,
Good morning,
okay.
sir.
How are you today?
Fine.
Fine, thank you.
Fine.
Fine, sir.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah.
How about you, sir?
I'm fine too, thank you. Yeah, Alhamdulillah. Mobin, please lead your friend to take a break for starting to our lesson today. Now, let's say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will check your attendance first ya. Okay. Nah, is everyone here today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you ya. Now I will give you some game here. Okay, now please check the chat box ya. Kita sudah ada kelihatan?
Yes, sir.
Ya, sudah terlihat.
Yes.
Nah, oke, the
Yes.
first about manual. Okay, please match the verb or the words with the description. Okay, there are manual, ingredient, food, procedure text, and receipt. Ya.
A book of instruction how to operate machine.
Oke, Bapak bantu ya. Oke.
Iya, Pak.
Oke, kemudian mana bebas pilih ingredient, food, procedure text atau receipt. Yang mana? Sekarang yang food.
Sudah saya, Mr. Agus.
Oh, sudah. Oke, kita cek ya. Congratulations ya Ari ya. Oke, skornya
Thank you,
2
sir.
nih. Oke. Yang lainnya for the others keep your spirit ya. Oh iya. Kalian pernah nggak melakukan? Do you ever done the activity that do in sequence? Pernah nggak melakukan kegiatan dalam kegiatannya berurutan? Pernah nggak?
Pernah, Pak, bantu orang tua.
Ya.
Pernah,
bantu
Pak.
orang tua misalnya masak ya. Kalau ada yang tahu masak apa sih artinya dalam bahasa Inggris?
Cook, ya Pak. Cook, ya Pak.
Iya, oke, betul. Oke, that's good, Nanarista ya. Oke, our learning purpose of activity today is identify social function, generic structure, language features. Sorry ya, ini ada kesalahan. And writing simple procedure text to our material. Nah, in our first activity, I will give you, Bapak akan berikan video ya, video tentang materi text prosedur. Oke ya, kita lihat dulu ya.
Procedure text is a text that tells the steps how to do something. Teks prosedur adalah sebuah teks yang berisi tahapan untuk melakukan sesuatu. The steps on procedure that deal with human behavior. Tahapan teks prosedur yang berhubungan dengan kehidupan kita. How to use or operate something. Bagaimana mengoperasikan sesuatu. How to make something or recipe. Bagaimana membuat sesuatu. The purpose of procedure text is to tell the reader how to do, make, operate something through a sequence of actions or steps. Tujuan dari teks prosedur adalah untuk memberi informasi tentang bagaimana cara melakukan, membuat, mengoperasikan sesuatu melalui suatu tahapan kegiatan. Generic structure of procedure text. Struktur teks prosedur consists of goal or purpose atau tujuan, materials or ingredients atau bahan-bahan, steps or methods atau tahapan, language features of procedure text. Unsur kebahasaan teks prosedur. Use command or imperative sentence. Example, put the noodles. Menggunakan kalimat perintah. Use adverbial of sequence or using temporal conjunction. Example, first, second, third, last. Menggunakan kata keterangan yang menunjukkan urutan seperti pertama, kedua, ketiga, dan terakhir. Using action verbs. Example, make, take, boil, and cook. Menggunakan kata kerja aktif seperti buat, ambil, didihkan, dan masak. Using adverbials or adverbs to express detail the time, place, manner accurately. For example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours, etc. Menggunakan keterangan waktu yang akurat, contohnya selama 5 menit, 2 jam, dan sebagainya. Using simple present tense. Menggunakan bentuk waktu sekarang. The example of procedure text recipe. Goals: how to make mango juice. Ingredients: a mango, a glass of water, a tablespoon of sugar. Steps: first, wash, peel, and chop the mango. Second, take mango and sugar into a blender and grind into smooth pure. Then, add water and blend it again. Next, strain the juice and discard the fibrous pulp. The last, fresh mango juice is ready to serve. The example of procedure text manuals. Goals: how to insert SIM card into cell phone. Steps: first of all, press the locking catch and slide the cover, then leave it off the phone. After that, push the catches in the opposite directions and remove the battery. Next, slide the SIM card carefully into the slot and make sure the golden connect cartridge are facing to the connector of the phone. Then, put the battery and align it until it snaps into its place. Finally, insert the 2 catches of the back cover corresponding slot in the phone and slide the cover forward button of the phone until locks into place.
Bapak ingin kalian mendiskusikan ya. Please discuss about the video ya. How to discuss it? Nah, I will divide you into some groups ya. Bapak akan bagi kalian menjadi beberapa kelompok. Nah, Bapak sudah tentukan kelompoknya di sini. Kita lihat ya. Ya, oke, thank you.
Kelompok 1 sudah, Pak.
Wah,
Sudah diisi.
oke, kelompok 1 sudah ya.
Diskusi.
Oke. Kelompok 1, the first group ya, Khairul Mubin. Oke. I want invite you to present. Oke, Bapak ingin meminta kamu untuk mempresentasikan ya. Walaupun yang lainnya belum, coba kamu presentasikan di depan teman-temanmu. Please present the discussion to all of your friends here. Okay. Wow. I so appreciate that you have a good job and then good collaboration with your groups ya. Okay. Group 1 had present the discussion. Maybe next time the other group will present the result of the discussion ya. Nanti kelompok yang lain, kelompok 2, 3, 4 akan mempresentasikan hasil yang lain. Nah, untuk berikutnya, oke, ada pertanyaan? Is there any questions?
No.
No, ya. Untuk berikutnya, Bapak akan berikan tugas ya. tadi kan sudah mengamati, kemudian diskusi terkait dengan identifikasi dari teks prosedur ya. Nah, untuk tugasnya, nah Bapak akan berikan nanti tugas rumah ya, tugas. Nah, okay, maybe the time is almost over. Okay, so I will conclude the activity today. Nah, okay, about the material, what do you learn or what do you learn about the material today? Kira-kira tadi sudah belajar tentang apa?
Prosedur teks, Pak.
Ya,
Teks prosedur,
teks.
Pak.
Oke.
Prosedur makanan sama
Iya.
apa ya Pak tadi?
Oke, nah teks prosedur ini bisa digunakan. It can be used to or in your daily life. Ya, bisa digunakan atau diterapkan dalam kehidupan kalian sehari-hari. Oke. Nah, untuk sesi ini, untuk pertemuan kali ini, for this meeting, I think is enough for today. Please do your homework. Yeah, there are 2 homework once again. The first is quizzes, and the second, write a simple procedure text. Yeah, okay. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, maybe this is enough for today's meeting. Okay, thank you for your attention, and see you next meeting, inshallah. Now, I will close this meeting today by say hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, see you. Bye bye.